Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, I have been along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, Hazrat Abu Bakr, Hazrat Umar and Hazrat Usman radiyallahu anhum on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr. All of them would perform Eid prayer before the sermon and thereafter deliver the sermon. This scene is still swelling before my eyes when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam started making the people sit down with his hand. And then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam, accompanied by Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu, cleaving the rows of the people, reached the gathering of the women, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited these words. Translation: When the believing women come to you and take an oath of allegiance to you that they will not associate anything with Allah. Surah Mumtahina, verse 12. After reciting the words, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Do you give pledge? Only one of them said, Yes, O Allah's Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The reporter says nobody knows who she was. Then all of them started giving alms. Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu spread his garment and said, Come on, may my parents be sacrificed for you. Those women thereupon started taking off their rings and signet rings and putting them into Hazrat Bilal's garment. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2041.